प्यार से बोलो, स्पीक सॉफ्टली, स्पीक सॉफ्टली। मन में पढ़ो, रीड साइलेंटली, रीड साइलेंटली। हिलना बंद करो, स्टॉप रिगलिंग, स्टॉप रिगलिंग। हिलना मत, डोंट मूव, डोंट मूव। सीधे खड़े रहो, स्टैंड स्टिल, स्टैंड स्टिल। जिद मत करो, डोंट बी स्टबर्न, डोंट बी स्टबर्न। डरो मत, डोंट बी अफ्रेड, डोंट बी अफ्रेड। कहानियाँ मत बनाओ, डोंट कुक अप स्टोरीज, डोंट कुक अप स्टोरीज। अपना सिर सीधा रखो, कीप योर हेड स्टिल, कीप योर हेड स्टिल। जाग जाओ, वेक अप, वेक अप। भैया को जगा दो, वेक योर ब्रदर अप, वेक योर ब्रदर अप। बिस्तर सही करो, मेक योर बेड, मेक योर बेड। कहीं इधर उधर मत जाना, डोंट वंडर ऑफ, डोंट वंडर ऑफ। आगे आओ, कम फॉरवर्ड, कम फॉरवर्ड। पीछे जाओ, मूव बैकवर्ड, मूव बैकवर्ड। पलके झपकाओ, ब्लिंक योर आईज, ब्लिंक योर आईज। पैर पटको, स्टैम्प योर फीट, स्टैम्प योर फीट। अपना बैग लगाओ, सेट योर बैग, सेट योर बैग। आवाज़ नीची करो, लोअर योर वॉइस, लोअर योर वॉइस। जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ, गेट ड्रेस्ड क्विकली, गेट ड्रेस्ड क्विकली। अपना मुंह ढको, कवर योर माउथ, कवर योर माउथ। अपनी आंखें ढको, कवर योर आईज, कवर योर आईज। बोतल सीधी करके रखो, कीप द बॉटल अपराइट, कीप द बॉटल अपराइट। फ़ोन को झुककर मत देखो, डोंट स्लाउच ओवर द फ़ोन, डोंट स्लाउच ओवर द फ़ोन। गर्दन दुखने लगेगी, you'll hurt your neck, you'll hurt your neck। अपने कपड़ों से हाथ मत पोंछो, don't wipe your hands on your clothes, don't wipe your hands on your clothes। तौलिए से हाथ पोंछो, wipe your hands with the towel, wipe your hands with the towel। आलस मत करो, don't be lazy, don't be lazy। अपना होमवर्क करो, do your homework, do your homework। अपनी जैकेट मत भूलना, don't forget your jacket, don't forget your jacket। बाजू ऊपर कर लो, roll up your sleeves, roll up your sleeves। पैर मत हिलाओ, don't swing your legs. Don't swing your legs. हमें जल्दी जाना है. We have to go soon. We have to go soon. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? तुम किस्मत वाले हो. You are lucky. You are lucky. उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he? How dare he? लोग अजीब हैं. People are strange. People are strange. अब सच बोलो. Now tell the truth. Now tell the truth. बहुत बढ़िया. Very fine. Very fine. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. थोड़ा और. A bit more. A bit more. खुलकर कहो. Say openly. Say openly. बस ले लो. Just take it. Just take it. क्या चल रहा है? What's up? What's up? अपना हुनर दिखाओ. Show your talent. Show your talent. उठना मत. Don't get up. Don't get up. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. मुझे उत्तर दो. Answer me. Answer me. इसे ले लो. Take this. Take this. पुनः प्रयास करें. Try again. Try again. थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not a bit. Not a bit. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. शांत रहो. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. चुप रहो. Shut up. Shut up. मुझे फ़ोन करो. Call me. Call me. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. पढ़ते जाओ. Keep reading. Keep reading. यह आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. It will be better for you. It will be better for you. चिल्लाओ मत. Don't shout. Don't shout. उसे अब और परेशान मत करो. Don't trouble him anymore. Don't trouble him anymore. मुझे इंतज़ार करना है. I have to wait. I have to wait. क्या वह तैयार है? Is he ready? Is he ready? मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? मुझे बताओ। Tell me. Tell me. और बताओ। Tell me more. Tell me more. आप सही कर रहे हैं। You are right. You are right. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. देखेंगे। We will see. We will see. यह बिल्कुल सच है। This is quite true. This is quite true. किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? अपनी लोकेशन भेजो। Send your location. Send your location. हमेशा समय के पाबंद रहो। Always be punctual. Always be punctual. हाल ही में। Recently. Recently. बाद में बात करते हैं। Talk to you later. Talk to you later. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Thank you very much. Thank you very much. यह बढ़िया है। It's fantastic. It's fantastic. बहुत दिन बाद दिखाई दिए। Long time no see. Long time no see. मुझे धक्का मत दो। Don't push me. Don't push me. मैंने गलती की। I made a mistake. I made a mistake. तुम कुछ भी करो। You do anything. You do anything. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। I don't care. I don't care. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे सब पता है। I know everything. I know everything. मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा रहा। I had a great day. I had a great day. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? डिनर में क्या है? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? कैसा चल रहा है? How it's going? How it's going? यह तुम्हारा निर्णय है। It's your decision. It's your decision. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? वह घर पर नहीं है। He is not at home. He is not at home. कृपया जल्दी आओ। Please come early. Please come early. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए। I need your help. I need your help. मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है। I can't believe this. I can't believe this. तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए। You should rest. You should rest. मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. I am doing my work. I am doing my work. हमें धैर्य रखना चाहिए. We should be patient. We should be patient. वह जल्दी वापस आ जाएगा. He will come back soon. He will come back soon. मुझे तुम्हारी राय चाहिए. I need your opinion. I need your opinion. मैं यहाँ खुश हूँ. I am happy here. I am happy here. क्या यह तुम्हारे लिए ठीक है? Is this okay for you? Is this okay for you? मैं उसे समझा दूंगा. I will explain it to him. I will explain it to him. हमें यहाँ से जाना चाहिए. We should leave from here. We should leave from here. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am with you. I am with you. कुछ भी करो. Do anything. Do anything. जैसा आप चाहें. As you wish. As you wish. आप सही हैं. You are right. You are right. यह सच है. This is true. This is true. यह गंदा है. It's dirty. It's dirty. यहाँ से चले जाओ. Go away from here. Go away from here. हमें जाना है. We have to go. We have to go. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? यह कैसे संभव है? How is this possible? How is this possible? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? मुझे मत छोड़ो. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. मैं और आगे नहीं बता सकता. I can't explain further. I can't explain further. यह काबिले तारीफ है. He is worth praising. He is worth praising. ये तुम्हारा वहम है. It's your illusion. It's your illusion. मैं यहाँ खासकर आपसे मिलने आया हूँ. I came here specially to meet you. I came here specially to meet you. वह बहुत घमंडी है. He is so arrogant. He is so arrogant. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. तुम अभी तक यहीं पर हो. You are still here. You are still here. क्या सब तैयार है? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? चुगली मत करो. Don't backbite. Don't backbite. टेंशन मत लो. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. अपनी हद में रहो. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. यह तो ठीक नहीं है. This is not fair. This is not fair. अपना स्वभाव बदलो. Change your behavior. Change your behavior. यह तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है. It's your duty. It's your duty. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. ज़ुबान पर काबू रखो. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. काफ़ी बेहतर है. Much better. Much better. मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. आप नाराज़ हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? कृपया उत्तर दो. Answer please. Answer please. क्या हम शुरू करें? Should we begin? Should we begin? आप जा सकते हैं. You can go. You can go. मुझे अनुमति दे. Allow me. Allow me. अपना काम करो. Do your work. Do your work. विनम्रता से बात करें. Speak politely. Speak politely. सुधर जाओ. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. पर्दा करो. Draw a curtain. Draw a curtain. सावधानी से चलना है. Walk carefully. Walk carefully. बाद में जाना. Go later. Go later. मेरा हाथ छोड़ो. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. मैंने गलती की. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. तुम कुछ भी करो. You do anything. You do anything. कितनी फिजूल की बात है. How absurd. How absurd. उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he. How dare he. मुझे बुरा लग रहा है. I feel bad. I feel bad. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? गुस्सा मत हो। Don't get angry. Don't get angry. ऐसे ही। Just like that. Just like that. पीछे हटो। Step back. Step back. शर्माओ मत। Don't be shy. Don't be shy. जल्दी करो। Hurry up. Hurry up. मैंने उसे चाय पर बुलाया। I invited him to tea. I invited him to tea. क्या आप मेरे साथ जुड़ना चाहेंगे? Do you want to join me? Do you want to join me? मैं तुम्हें जल्दी ही मिलूंगा। I will catch you soon. I will catch you soon. तुम्हारी क्या समस्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? किताबें ठीक से रखो। Put the books in order. Put the books in order. मैं बाद में आपको कॉल करूँगा। I will call you later. I will call you later. मैं इसे अस्वीकार करता हूँ। I decline that. I decline that. कितना घिनौना है। How disgusting. How disgusting. तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? क्या मुझे करना होगा? Do I have to? Do I have to? आज आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing today? What are you doing today? आप मेरी जिम्मेदारी हैं। You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. आप कहाँ हैं? Where are you? Where are you? गर्मियाँ आ गई हैं। Summer has come. Summer has come. आज का मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather today? How is the weather today? वहाँ मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather there? How is the weather there? यहाँ ठंड है। It is cold here. It is cold here. यहाँ थोड़ी बहुत ठंड है। It is a little bit cold here. It is a little bit cold here. आज बहुत कड़ाके की ठंड है। It's very cold today. It's very cold today. तुम मेरे लिए सब कुछ हो। You are my everything. You are my everything. तुम मेरी दुनिया हो। You are my world. You are my world. मैं तुम्हारे बिना कुछ भी नहीं हूँ। I am nothing without you. I am nothing without you. मूर्ख मत बनो। Don't be silly. Don't be silly. बहुत देर हो चुकी है। It's too late. It's too late. मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ। I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? हम घर जा रहे हैं. We are going home. We are going home. अनदेखा करना सीखो. Learn to ignore. Learn to ignore. बाद में बात करते हैं. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. क्या आप उसे देख सकते हैं? Can you see her? Can you see her? मुझे वापस कॉल करें. Call me back. Call me back. तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. ऐसा कभी मत करना. Never do so. Never do so. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए. I want your advice. I want your advice. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. मैंने शीशा तोड़ दिया है. I had broken the glass. I had broken the glass. फिल्म कब शुरू होगी? When will the movie start? When will the movie start? वो 2004 से यहाँ रह रहा है. He has been living here since 2004. He has been living here since 2004. मैंने कहा. I said. I said. मुझे आपसे बात करना पसंद है. I love talking to you. I love talking to you. मुझे कहानियाँ पढ़ना पसंद है. I like to read stories. I like to read stories. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. मैं इसके लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं हूँ. I am not responsible for this. I am not responsible for this. मुझे लेटने की ज़रूरत है. I need to lie down. I need to lie down. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. वह आपसे मिलने आएगा. He will visit you. He will visit you. जितना जल्दी हो सके. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. आप कितने भाई बहन हो? How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? तुम बाहर मत जाना. You don't go out. You don't go out. उसने अपनी कार बेच दी है. He has sold his car. He has sold his car. हम उससे रोज मिलते हैं. We meet him every day. We meet him every day. वह ठीक नहीं है. He is not well. He is not well. वह पहुंचने वाला है. He is about to reach. He is about to reach. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. आप इस कार्य के लिए योग्य नहीं हैं. You are not fit for this job. You are not fit for this job. इस उपकार के लिए मैं आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ. I'm very grateful to you for this favor. I'm very grateful to you for this favor. वह मेरे आदेश को मान लेगा. He will accept my order. He will accept my order. कृपया उसकी बात सुने. Please listen to him. Please listen to him. तुम अंदर कैसे आए? How did you get in? How did you get in? आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैं जाने ही वाला था. I was about to leave. I was about to leave. ये उसकी गलती है. It is his mistake. It is his mistake. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? काश मैं तुमसे मिल सकता. I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. उसका इरादा क्या है? What is his intention? What is his intention? मैं पूरा प्रयास करूँगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. मैं सच बोलता हूँ. I speak the truth. I speak the truth. वो घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. मुझे और बताओ. Tell me more. Tell me more. हम बहुत बातें करते हैं. We talk a lot. We talk a lot. मैं इस खबर से बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very glad about this news. I'm very glad about this news. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you have food? Did you have food? मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा. I will come for sure. I will come for sure. मुझसे पंगा मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता. I don't know at all. I don't know at all. कहना आसान है. It is easy to say. It is easy to say. वह मुझसे परिचित नहीं है. She is not familiar with me. She is not familiar with me. यह बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. तुम्हें किसने मारा? Who hit you? Who hit you? नल खोल दो. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. क्या पास में कोई किराने की दुकान है? Is there any grocery store nearby? Is there any grocery store nearby? मैं तुम्हारा कौन हूँ? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? क्या आपके पास कुछ है? Do you have something? Do you have something? मैं बस जानना चाहता हूँ. I just want to know. I just want to know. आप कब जाएंगे? When will you go? When will you go? क्या वह अच्छा है? Is he good? Is he good? अपना काम पूरा करें. Complete your work. Complete your work. क्या आपको यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? किसी भी तरह इसे करो. Do it anyhow. Do it anyhow. मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. उसके साथ जाओ. Go with him. Go with him. मुझे अंदर आने दो. Let me in. Let me in. कितनी बार? How many times? How many times? कौन सा लेना है? Which one to take? Which one to take? इसे यहीं रहने दो. Let it be here. Let it be here. मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go out. I want to go out. आप क्या सोचते हो? What do you think? What do you think? मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet. I want to meet. उसे मेरे पास भेजो. Send him to me. Send him to me. मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. जल्दी वापस आना. Come back soon. Come back soon. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. क्या आप उसकी माँ को जानते हैं? Do you know her mother? Do you know her mother? मैं उसकी मदद करूँगा. I will help him. I will help him. आलू छील दो. Peel off the potato. Peel off the potato. क्या आपने मुझे बुलाया? Have you called me? Have you called me? हम हर रोज़ नई चीज़ें सीखते हैं. We learn new things every day. We learn new things every day. मैं आपके साथ डांस करना चाहूँगा. I would like to dance with you. I would like to dance with you. क्या आप मुझसे मिलना चाहोगे? Would you like to meet me? Would you like to meet me? मैं बहुत खर्च करता हूँ. I spend a lot. I spend a lot. मेरे हाथ में दर्द है. I had pain in my hand. I had pain in my hand. आपको यह घर कैसा लगा? How did you like this house? How did you like this house? मैं 1 महीने की छुट्टी पर हूँ. I'm on leave for a month. I'm on leave for a month. मैं इस भाषा को जानता हूँ. I know this language. I know this language. समय ही धन है. Time is money. Time is money. ट्रेन यहाँ कब तक रुकेगी? How long will the train stop here? How long will the train stop here? कृपया मेरे लिए प्रतीक्षा न करें. Please don't wait for me. Please don't wait for me. यह बस कहाँ जाती है? Where does this bus go? Where does this bus go? क्या मैं आपसे 1 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ? Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute? मुझे लगता है कि मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है. I think I have seen you somewhere. I think I have seen you somewhere. बाजार कितनी दूर है? How far is the market? How far is the market? यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. आपकी आवाज़ बहुत मधुर है. Your voice is very sweet. Your voice is very sweet. मैं और क्या कर सकता था? What else could I do? What else could I do? समय क्या हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? उसके सारे पैसे खो गए. He lost all his money. He lost all his money. तुम्हारा समय पूरा हुआ. Your time is up. Your time is up. बुरी आदतें छोड़ दो. Give up bad habits, give up bad habits. मैं अभी नहीं आ सकता, I can't come now, I can't come now. उसे यह काम करने दो, let him do this work, let him do this work. इसके बारे में बाद में सोचना, think about it later, think about it later. क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you get me? Did you get me? मुझे एक कॉल करना है, I have to make a call, I have to make a call. यहाँ कोई नहीं आता, no one comes here, no one comes here. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा नहीं है, I don't trust you, I don't trust you. यह तो होना ही था, it had to happen, it had to happen. मुझे फ्री होकर कॉल करो, call me when you are free, call me when you are free. उसका मजाक मत उड़ाओ, don't mock him, don't mock him. उसे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, no need to tell him, no need to tell him. दूसरों की मत सुनो, don't listen to others, don't listen to others. वह तुम्हारी क्या लगती है, who is she to you, who is she to you. सुनकर दुख हुआ, sorry to hear that, sorry to hear that. ये मेरा पहला प्रयास है, this is my first attempt, this is my first attempt. तुम्हें हुआ क्या है, what's wrong with you, what's wrong with you. तुमने मुझे हंसाया, you made me laugh, you made me laugh. ये सब क्या है, what's all this, what's all this. मुझे गलत मत समझना, don't get me wrong, don't get me wrong. ये कितने का है, how much is this, how much is this. ये 100 रुपए का है, this is for 100 rupees, this is for 100 rupees. मैं इस बारे में सोचूंगा, I will think about it, I will think about it. मुझे आपके बिना खराब लगता है, I feel bad without you, I feel bad without you. यह पहली बार है, this is the first time, this is the first time. मैं कल निकल रहा हूँ, I'm leaving tomorrow, I'm leaving tomorrow. काश मेरे पास वो होता, I wish I had that, I wish I had that. यह कब शुरू होगा, when will it start, when will it start. मैं तुम्हारे जाने के बाद आऊँगा, I will come after you leave, I will come after you leave. आज कौन सा दिन है, what day is it today, what day is it today. बोलो कब जाना है, tell me when to go, tell me when to go. चाहे जो हो मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा, no matter what, I will go there, no matter what, I will go there. भगवान जाने वो कौन है, God knows who he is, God knows who he is. भगवान जाने वे कहाँ हैं, God knows where they are, God knows where they are. मैं जाऊँगा, I will go, I will go. वह कुछ नहीं कर सकता, he can't do anything, he can't do anything. आपके बगल में कौन था, who was next to you, who was next to you. तुम्हारे पास ये वाला पहले से है, you already have this one, you already have this one. मैं आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ, I know you very well, I know you very well. इसे समय पर छोड़ दो. Leave it on time. Leave it on time. घर जल्दी वापस आ जाना. Come back home early. Come back home early. मुझे पता है तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. आपने मुझे कभी नहीं बताया. You never told me. You never told me. उसने मुझे ये खबर दी. He gave me this news. He gave me this news. कल मुझे बुखार हो गया था. I had a fever last night. I had a fever last night. मुझे देर हो रही है. I'm getting late. I'm getting late. मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कहाँ है. I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. तुम्हें मौका मिला है. You have got a chance. You have got a chance. मुझे उसका चेहरा नहीं देखना है. I don't want to see her face. I don't want to see her face. मुझे अभी जवाब दो. Answer me right now. Answer me right now. मैंने तुम्हें कहीं देखा है. I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? मेरा काम अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ. My work is not over yet. My work is not over yet. मुझे कुछ पूछना है. I have a question. I have a question. मैं वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go there. I want to go there. अपने भविष्य के बारे में सोचो. Think about your future. Think about your future. मेरा रास्ता मत रोको. Don't block my way. Don't block my way. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? तुम कितनी दूर जा सकते हो? How far can you go? How far can you go? क्या तुम्हारे पास मोबाइल है? Do you have a mobile? Do you have a mobile? आपके आगे कौन है? Who is ahead of you? Who is ahead of you? हम इसके लिए तैयार हैं. We are ready for this. We are ready for this. उसका समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste her time. Don't waste her time. मुझे सब बताओ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. मैं किसी का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I'm waiting for someone. I'm waiting for someone. क्या तुम्हें मुझ पर भरोसा है? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? वह कहाँ रहता है? Where does he live? Where does he live? सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. मुझे धक्का मत दो. Don't push me. Don't push me. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? वो मेरा दोस्त है. He is my friend. He is my friend. मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. क्या आपने हाल ही में कोई अच्छी फिल्म देखी है? Have you seen any good movie recently? Have you seen any good movie recently? आपके पिता फोन पर हैं. Your father is on the phone. Your father is on the phone. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very nice. This is very nice. क्या वह जल्दी में है? Is he in a hurry? Is he in a hurry? वो 1-2 घंटे में पहुंचने वाला है. He is about to reach in an hour or so. He is about to reach in an hour or so. मैं तुम्हें अपनी तस्वीर भेजूंगा. I will send you my picture. I will send you my picture. उसने मुझे यह खबर दी. He gave me this news. He gave me this news. क्या इससे कोई फर्क पड़ता है? Does it make any difference? Does it make any difference? मैं शहर से बाहर था. I was out of station. I was out of station. तुम अपनी उम्र से कम लगते हो. You look younger than your age. You look younger than your age. वो अपनी उम्र से ज़्यादा लगता है. He looks older than his age. He looks older than his age. आपकी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है? How is your study going on? How is your study going on? क्या आप उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? मेरे साथ ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. ये हमेशा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it always happen to me? Why does it always happen to me? वह मुझसे मिलने आया था. He came to meet me. He came to meet me. क्या मैंने कोई गलती की? Did I make a mistake? Did I make a mistake? वह तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकता. He can't live without you. He can't live without you. मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. I want to say something. I want to say something. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Focus on your studies. Focus on your studies. इसे इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? What do we call this in English? What do we call this in English? हम पता लगा लेंगे. We will find out. We will find out. मैं तुम्हारा हित चाहता हूँ. I wish you well. I wish you well. धूप अंदर तक आ रही है. The sun is getting in. The sun is getting in. मुझे आपका ध्यान चाहिए. I want your attention. I want your attention. हम सभी को एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए. We all should help each other. We all should help each other. ईश्वर हर समय आपके साथ है. God is always with you. God is always with you. बस चुप रहो. Just keep quiet. Just keep quiet. आप किस चीज़ से परेशान हैं? What are you upset about? What are you upset about? मुझे तुम्हारी किताबें लौटानी हैं. I want to return your books. I want to return your books. वो किचन में है. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. मैं उस समय उपलब्ध नहीं था. I was not available that time. I was not available that time. मैं तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा था. I was standing behind you. I was standing behind you. मैं तो कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकता. I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine. नेहा आज देर से आई. नेहा came late today. नेहा came late today. नेहा कल रात एक पार्टी में गई थी. नेहा went to a party yesterday night. नेहा went to a party yesterday night. मैं तुम्हें सजा दूंगा. I will punish you. I will punish you. मैं यहाँ कैसे रह सकता हूँ? How can I stay here? How can I stay here? कुछ ज़रूरी काम आ गया था. Something important came up. Something important came up. मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English. I am learning English. एक महीने में इंग्लिश बोलना कैसे सीखें? हाउ टू लर्न टू स्पीक इंग्लिश इन 1 मंथ। हाउ टू लर्न टू स्पीक इंग्लिश इन 1 मंथ। जैसा मैं कहता हूँ करो, डू एज आई से। डू एज आई से। कहना क्या चाहते हो तुम? व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से? व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से? समय के साथ बहुत कुछ बदल जाता है। A lot changes with time. A lot changes with time. तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रहे। You are not the same as before. You are not the same as before.